In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and purchase from Shein using American Express. Whether you're shopping for the latest fashion trends or searching for standout accessories, following along with this guide will make your experience smooth and hassle-free. The first thing you'll need to do is visit the Shein website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Shein URL or simply searching for Shein on your search engine. Once the website is up, you'll be greeted by a colorful and vibrant homepage brimming with enticing deals, trendy clothing categories, and the latest collections. It's easy to get overwhelmed with so many options, but take your time browsing through the selection. Next, take your pick from a wide range of clothing, accessories, or whatever catches your eye. Each item will have detailed descriptions, size guides, and high-quality images to help you make an informed choice. Once you've found something you like, click on the item to view more details. If you decide it's the one for you, make sure to select the right size and color, then add it to your shopping cart. You can keep exploring the site and continue adding items until your cart is complete. When you're ready, simply click on the shopping cart icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Now it's time to review your selections. In your cart, go through each item to ensure everything is as you desire. If everything looks good, you'll notice a button that says Check Out Now. This will take you to the payment section. Here's where you need to pay close attention, especially if you're planning to use a specific payment method. Below the Check Out Now button, you'll see the payment options that Shein accepts. Make sure American Express is among the accepted forms of payment. Seeing it listed will confirm that you're all set. Click on Check Out Now to proceed to the payment and billing page. On this page, you'll be able to enter your payment details. Look for the section that says Payment Method. Select credit or debit card, and within this option, find and select American Express. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Be sure to double-check your information to avoid any errors or delays in processing your order. Once all your details are accurately filled in, you can finalize your purchase by clicking Submit Order. You should receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details of your purchase, including your order number and expected delivery dates. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated Shein and made a purchase using your American Express card. Shopping online can be fun and straightforward, especially when you know exactly what to do. Thanks for following along and happy shopping.